Dolores Cannon, April the 15th, 1931, October the 18th, 2014, was an American author, self-trained hypnotherapist, and publisher. She was a leader of the New Age movement and a promoter of fringe theories relating to aliens and alternative realities. Cannon specialized in past life regression and developed a technique that she called the quantum healing hypnosis technique. She gained notoriety for claiming to be in contact with Nostradamus through her hypnosis sessions. In 1992, Cannon founded Ozark Mountain Publishing, which specializes in New Age, spirituality, and metaphysical books. Hypnotherapy. In the 1960s, Cannon began using hypnotherapy to control her weight and to stop smoking. She learned hypnosis from her husband, who was an amateur hypnotist. While her husband was stationed in a Navy base in Texas in 1969, a doctor asked the couple to use hypnosis to help a patient who had an eating disorder. 3. Enter hypnosis. The patient started talking about a previous life as a flare in Chicago during the 1920s. 5. In the following months, the Cannons used hypnosis to regress the patient through 5 previous lives. However, her work was stalled when her husband was injured in a car accident later that year. In the late 1970s, Cannon returned to hypnotherapy and used it to treat clients. After past live regression sessions with thousands of clients, she created her own techniques and theories about reincarnation. She created what she called the quantum healing hypnosis technique, QHHT, which she believed allowed her to communicate with the client's subconscious. She claimed that her QHHT could heal any medical conditions by connecting the hypnotized person with a different plane of consciousness. However, philosopher and academic Robert Todd Carroll notes that Cannon lacked medical training, was self-taught in hypnotherapy, and used the word quantum for her technique, although there is nothing quantum about it. In 1985, Cannon became interested in UFOs and extraterrestrial investigations. She used her hypnosis techniques with individuals who claimed they had been abducted by aliens. Her findings from these sessions led to several books on extraterrestrials. Cannon was also the head of the Ozark Mountain UFO Conference from 2013 until 2014. Carroll believed that Cannon cashed in on the UFO and alien visitation fad and created a bizarre cosmology on par with L. Ron Hubbard's story of Xenu.